Hello guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. Our next module is Lightning App Builder and the first unit is Get Started with the Lightning App Builder. In this video, you will learn about the Lightning App Builder, how it works, the Lightning components and Lightning App Builder user interface and also Lightning page types. So first let us see what is Lightning App Builder. The Lightning App Builder is a tool that makes us to create custom pages for the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning experience and give our users what they need in one place. And with this Lightning App Builder, you can build single page apps, dashboard style apps, point apps to solve a particular task, custom record pages for your objects, custom home pages containing the components and features that our users use most. A Lightning page is a custom layout that lets you design pages for use in the Salesforce mobile app or Lightning experience, and the Lightning page is composed of regions that can contain components. So this is the example of a Lightning page. So these are the regions and the regions contains the components. So this image shows the various type of regions you can partition in a Lightning page. This can be in this model or in this view or in this pattern. So now let us move on to Lightning components. A Lightning component is a compact, configurable and reusable element that you can add to a Lightning page in the Lightning App Builder. Lightning pages support these components. First one is standard components, custom components and third-party components on App Exchange. Standard components means the components that are built by Salesforce. Custom components means that you or someone else have created, and you can configure custom Lightning components to work in Lightning App Builder. Third-party components on App Exchange means the App Exchange provides a place for Lightning components, and you can find the packages containing the components that are configured and ready to use in the Lightning App Builder. The Lightning App Builder user interface. The image shows the user interface of the Lightning App Builder. The first one here is the header that shows the label and contains the page list, and you can also return to the setup without saving, or you can view more help for the Lightning App Builder. The second one is the toolbar. In this you can use the buttons like cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, and also you can save or activate the Lightning page and more. The third one is the Lightning Components Pan. So in this, the Components Pan contains all standard and custom Lightning components that are supported by the Lightning page. You can click a component and drag it to a page. The next one is Lightning Page Canvas. So in this canvas area, you can build your page. You can drag components to reorder them onto the page. And the fifth one is property pan. Depending upon what you have selected on this page, the properties pan show either the overall page properties or properties of the component you have selected. To access the page property, click the page in the breadcrumb. The next one we are going to see is the Lightning page types. In Lightning App Builder, we can create different types of Lightning pages. We are going to look three types of Lightning pages. The first one is app page, second one is home page, and the third one is record page. In app page, you can use this app page to create a home page for a third-party app that you can add directly into the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning experience menus. In home page, you can create with features relevant to specific type of users and assign the customized pages to different apps or app and user profile combinations, and custom home pages are supported in Lightning experience only. In record page, you can create a customized version of an object's record page, tailoring it to your user's needs. In custom record pages are supported in Lightning experience and in the Salesforce mobile app. Let's start with the home page. So now we are into the quiz. The question is a lightning page is option A compact, configurable and reusable element. Option B, a custom layout for creating pages in Lightning Experience and the Salesforce mobile app. Option C, the new name for a Salesforce page layout. Option D, a page you can access via a customer community. The answer is option B, a custom layout for creating pages in Lightning Experience and the Salesforce mobile app. The second question is what you can build with the Lightning App Builder. Option A, at a glance dashboard style apps. Option B, apps optimized for a particular task. Option C, simple single page apps with drill down capability. And option D, all of the above. These all are included. So the answer is all of the above. Let us check this quiz. We have answered the questions correctly. So keep on watching our videos. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.